Hi guys, as you know, Legacy Series Cast and Catch line has done extremely well the past few years, and we've gone back to the drawing board and listened to you guys. You said you wanted more value for money, so we've developed a 1 kilometer line. So 1,000 meters, we're calling it the Legacy Maximus 1000. It's a 10-pound line, 0.26 in all your amazing colors. You'll also see, I'll show you in this video, how it glows in the dark. It's got fluorescent in, so if you're using a blue or a black light at night, these stand out amazingly. Look out for the new Legacy Maximus 1000. It's 1,000 meters of line, a kilometer, and your price per meter, you can't beat anywhere in South Africa. Amazing quality, Legacy branded, and it's yours. After the trade show this weekend, where it's launching, we'll start getting it out to shops in the next month or so. So look out for this amazing line. Buy a kilometer of line and fill 4 or 5 spools easily with this amazing product.
Under African skies, we've got rods in our hands and that fire in our eyes. From the break of dawn till the setting sun's glow, this is the place where the legends all go. Legends pro angling where legends meet, and little legends learn by the water's beat. With exciters, floaties, and dips so sweet, Legacy feed is what the big fish eat.